Almost every person today manages multiple social media platforms and may even have a small business they own. And it can be a hassle for customers or audiences to constantly search for your links. However, there are already numerous websites that offer link in bio URLs, and now we're going to check out one of the best out there. This is the Digital Guide, and this video is going to take you through Linktree, a tool that makes it possible to post multiple links on social media. If you are an influencer, active on social media, or the owner of a business, you presumably have a variety of links or websites that people may want to visit. It might be challenging to truly summarize all of these things on one platform, whether someone is looking at your website, your e-commerce business, or your social media accounts. Linktree is essentially a straightforward link sharing tool that enables you to gather all your social network and business links in one platform. Share that single link and give others an overview to all these links. This is a fantastic approach for you to direct traffic to the areas where it is most required. This may be especially helpful on social networking sites, which prohibit users from posting numerous links to their profiles and may ban them if they do so. Linktree offers you a single link that connects people to the numerous platforms you have that they may wish to visit, which solves this problem. Anyway, let's enter linktee.ree into your search box to get to Linktree's homepage. Simply click the Sign Up Free icon in the upper right corner to create an account. After the page has loaded, enter your selected username here. This is the identity you'll want your Linktree account to represent, be related to in the sense of an additional personality. Let's imagine that I own a company or that I go by Clementine Gan on social media. In order to keep things consistent, I'll enter that in, and thankfully, the name is available. If, however, your preferred ones are not, you can just add symbols like underscores or dots to change it up a little bit without straying from your original username. Once you've agreed to the terms and conditions, enter your email address and a working password before clicking Sign Up with Email. After entering your email and clicking Continue, you should provide your name and select the type that most accurately describes your Linktree. In the case where I manage a store that is my primary usage, and I also have a company involved in marketing, advertising, or retail, so I'll just click the Continue button. You may create one of your new business over here, and after selecting the plan for our Linktree account, we'll proceed using the free account by clicking on Get Free. Before we go into the intricacies of the various Linktree price plans, we'll just start creating our Linktree. I will continue for now and do it later in this video. Confirm your email right away. Once your account has been verified, sign in, and you may start modifying the URL of your page. Your page's link will be the one that users will click, and you will put this link anywhere that links to your web pages, social media accounts, or websites that offer shopping or online sales. You'll now get a glimpse of our Linktree on your screen. The first thing you should do is select Add New Link, then copy and paste your links. You only need to input the URL. For instance, if we'd like to connect our clothing business, we'll go to Wix and simply copy the link to our store. We'll then paste that address in the URL field. Now, you can even switch a specific link on and off and have features like redirect, thumbnail, priority, scheduling locking, and overall statistics. If I wanted to, I could rename this to my online clothing company, Clementine, and then add my social media links by clicking on Add New Link, and then adding my Twitter account by copying and pasting my Twitter URL into the URL field. Next, you'll link your social media accounts, and when you link a major social media platform like Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, it will reveal whether you'd like to link the Twitter website or not. Additionally, if you upgrade to a premium Linktree account, you will have the choice of showing your most recent tweet or linking to the most recent read from your profile. Okay, before we check out the other features Linktree has, are you enjoying this video so far? If so, Leave us a thumbs up and interact in the comments below. When you click Explore after adding your links, you'll notice items like documents, videos, type forms, and tip jars that you may add. You may click on Tip Jar. Enter the amount of money that users can contribute, and then select Add Payment Provider to select from Square, PayPal, and Stripe as your payment provider. Going back to your links section, you will add all of the links to pages you'd like to show. Once you've finished, you may change the appearance by going to the Appearance area at the top portion of this page. You have the option of choosing a picture to add to your account or uploading your own image, producing using a camera, or even using an NFT profile image. Upload the file to do this. We'll use this random image over here to show you how to do it. If your Linktree account's primary goal is business promotion, it is preferable to include your company logo. If you're branding or selling yourself as an influencer, include your personal photograph. And last, provide your bio. You may add something along the lines of, "Hello, this is where you can connect with me," or "Hello, these are my socials," if your niche is content creation. You may view some of the themes that might improve the look and feel of your Linktree page by scrolling down below. Certain of these are exclusive to premium accounts, but there are other free options, such as these themes in solid colors, which I find to be attractive, especially given how popular minimalism is right now. You can choose from seasonal options like these, which are fairly recent additions and are themed after hydrangeas and poppies, or you can simply go with a white appearance. I'll go ahead and select the hydrangea theme. The backdrop may also be changed if you prefer a flat color, and you can change the design and color of your buttons. You have a wide range of alternatives to choose from. After you notice features like email lists, commerce integration, sensitive material, etc., the next thing you should do is click on Settings at the top of your screen. You may link any of those and personalize them to your preferences by adding your social media icons, subscriptions, and SEO or other types of data. After completing that, continue on to Analytics, where you can enter basic data about the links being visited and how frequently they are being viewed. Once you've finished setting everything up, you can simply save your Linktree and then click on Share to receive the link you'll be putting on your social media networks. Check out the Linktree we built. Now just has 2 links, but you can always add more. Clicking on the links will redirect us to the appropriate website. That is how easy it is to set up Linktree. The capabilities that we just utilized and presented, as well as the price, were all available in the free version. The Starter, Pro, and Premium version start at $5, $9, and $24 respectively each month. Some features such as scheduling are only available in the Starter, Pro, and Premium versions, while others, such as email collection, phone number collection to name a few, are only available in the Pro and Premium versions. So subscribing to a premium edition of Linktree is the wisest course of action if these are the features you might need. And with that, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more marketing tutorials and videos. I have been your digital guide. I'll see you in the next one.